Now they would send these old ladies in the back. So he would send the old lady in the back and he would tell Manat that, hey, defend yourself. And the old lady would be like, okay, whatever. So he hung the sword in the neck of Manat and he told Manat, defend yourself. Next time, defend yourself, alright? You're a god, do this, alright? You got this. I'm translating. So here, Mu'ad and Mu'awwad and Khalad, they're like, subhanallah, look at our father. And he's an intelligent man, he's an honorable man, he's a respected man. But look, hidayah is from Allah. They go, they take the sword, they take it out of Manat, they kick Manat around, they take the idol, they go throw it in dirt, and they throw it in the dump, where people would throw their filth. And they would take the sword. This morning when Amr ibn Jamuh came out, and he saw this, he was like, that's it, man. Well, that sucks. He can't even defend himself with a sword. He can't be a god. And Allah opened his heart, and he became a Muslim.